All right. We are here at Hexagon Live. We are talking to
Jose Sanchez.
Jose Sanchez, and we're in the mining part of the zone. And the zone is just a collection of all this incredible technology, all this incredible solutions, helping customers succeed. So take us through this mad technology. And of course, we got to get over there. That's right behind the camera person.
Fun stuff. Yeah, for sure.
Give us a little background.
Yeah, for sure. What we do really at the mining division is we have hardware and software. We always say it's for everything you might need from the beginning of the mine all the way to the end of your life of mine. So what we show here is all the hardware that goes behind that. So we have sensors for safety, collision avoidance sensors. We have fatigue monitoring sensors to make sure that all the operators are awake when they're driving. And then recently we've acquired a company called Indirad that does radar. So industrial radar for several applications in mining.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah, for seeing how much material is going into a mill, for example, or for keeping people safe. What you see here are little caps that you put on your lamp when you go underground.
Oh, yeah.
And these will then work with this radar to be able to detect where those people are so they don't get into accidents. We keep them safe. It can see around corners because it's radar, which is really kind of amazing for underground. Open pit mining is a totally different game because you have satellites, you have GNSS and all that.
That's not your dad's form of mining anymore.
No. It's gotten way fancier and way more safe.
Safe, yeah, absolutely. The question I have is, you've got the hardware. Does Hexagon also manufacture the hardware?
Yes.
You're vertically integrated in that sense. So you also have the manufacturing components associated along with the software.
And one of the beautiful things of being part of Hexagon is that we have manufacturing for our own things, but we also have manufacturing that we can borrow. So we have, for example, in Switzerland, we have one manufacturing center that does one part of our safety because they do also for geosystems. So we can share that technology back and forth, and that makes it really easy and really nice to be able to integrate with other systems.
See, I really think that's fantastic. Take us over here.
Yes.
What's going on?
So this is also one of our new acquisitions. It's called a company that we acquired called Hardline. And this is a tele-remote operation chair. Right now it's in simulation.
No way.
Yeah, it's really cool. No. Right now it just looks like a video game because we're just in simulation mode.
Yeah.
But you can connect this to a machine. Tomorrow we're going to connect it to a machine in Sudbury in Canada. We're going to drive it underground. Drive it. Well, he gets to drive that because he's the actual operator.
Cool. That is cool, man. Did you get a crap? Did you?
So this allows an operator from anywhere in the world to sit down and operate a machine that's anywhere in the world. And they can do several at once. So they can do one and then switch over to the next one and switch over to another one.
How do you deal with the latency?
That's where it's really tricky. We need a really good system, a really good Wi-Fi system if it's underground. If it's above ground, again, you have a little bit more leniency, but you still need a really secure line.
Yeah, because I would imagine you have an action and then all of a sudden you're waiting.
Yeah.
And then that could cause some challenges.
Yeah. There's a really good background system that will, if anything happens where the network does go down, even if it's for a bit, the machine will automatically stop. So it's not like it's just going to keep going.
Keep trenching, keep knocking down walls.
Yeah, no, exactly. So that's one of the beautiful things. Yeah, no, it's really
And again, that adds to the safety component, productive. Do you have, with these remote tools, you can also sort of evaluate the health of that asset? You're constantly sort of monitoring it and health of it?
That is possible because we do have an asset health system that you can, just like when you take your car to the mechanic and you plug it in, they can tell you what's wrong with it.
Sure.
We have that on the fly for any machinery. So we could adapt it there. We haven't yet, but we can.
You're fantastic.
Awesome.
That's mad technology.
Yes, no, we're really proud.
Jose, right there, mining. This is Hexagon Live. This is just one section of the zone with multiple solutions and technology. We're going to have more coming from this particular event, Hexagon Live, so stay tuned.